Hello, today we will see how to upload questions in Excel format on GATEtutor. Now as a faculty I will log in. Click and enter your email ID. Click and enter your password. Click on Login. Now you are successfully logged in. Make sure that you are in college group to upload questions. If not, then select group in which you want to upload questions. Go to the bottom. There is title, Masters. Under Masters there is a tab, Upload Questions. Click on Upload Questions. Select your branch, that is Mechanical Engineering. To upload questions, select the subject in which you want to upload question. Select the topic in which you want to upload question. Click on View to see the question bank format. This is the format of question bank. Click to download the format of question bank. Click to save the file. Click on Downloads. Click to open folder. You also have to upload questions in same tabular format. The column titles should be exactly same as format. Now click on Browse to choose the Excel file. Select the file to upload questions. Click on Open. Now click on View and check. This is your selected Excel file. As there is no any red color cell, that means the file is in correct format as given by GATEtutor. If you want to show these questions only for test and not in study center, then click on Show only for test. Otherwise, if you want to show questions in test as well as study center, choose Show Everywhere. Now click on Upload Questions tab to upload the questions. Your question bank added successfully. Click on Close. Now go to the study center to see these added questions. Click on Study Center. Select the subject in which you have added questions. Select the same topic in which you have added questions. Now see the questions. This question is from your question bank. This question is also now added by you. As we selected Show Everywhere, these questions are displayed in Study Center. By this way, upload unlimited questions on GATEtutor and conduct tests of the students easily. Thank you.